In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download AdsPower browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get it running smoothly on your Windows computer without any hassle. First, open your preferred browser and head directly to the official website, adspower.com. Typing the address yourself helps ensure you're on the legitimate site. You should see the AdsPower homepage load with clear branding and navigation. Take a second to confirm you have a stable internet connection and a bit of free disk space, since the installer will need room to download and set up. On the homepage, look for the download button or link. It's typically well marked and easy to spot. Click it to move to the download options. Here, you'll be asked to choose the correct version for your operating system. If you're on Windows, select the Windows build that matches your system. Most modern PCs are 64-bit, but if you're unsure, you can quickly check your system information in Windows settings. Choosing the right version ensures the installer runs properly and the browser performs as expected. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. On Windows, it will be an .exe file. Double-click the installer to begin. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, that's normal. Click Yes to continue. You'll see the setup window appear. Start by reviewing the license agreement. When you're comfortable with the terms, accept the agreement to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the installation location. If you don't have a specific reason to change it, the default location is usually the safest and fastest choice. Click Install to start the process. You'll see a progress bar as files are copied and configured. This may take a minute or two, depending on your system speed. When the installer completes, click Finish. In most cases, AdsPower will launch right away so you can start exploring. If it doesn't open automatically, look for a newly created desktop shortcut or find it in your Start menu. That's it. Your download and installation are complete. If you run into any prompts from antivirus software or a firewall during installation, simply review them and allow the installer to proceed if it's the file you just downloaded from the official site. Thanks for following along. With the browser installed, you're ready to move on to setup and customization whenever you're ready.